I do no harm to myself, my family, my community, other families or communities who live in peace and unity with others. I am protection.
If you're the parent of a child that's experienced sexual abuse, I want you to know that you are not alone, that there are lots of resources out there to assist you and your child. One of the important things to know is that it's important and imperative for you to get support for managing the situation, for managing all that comes with it, and for helping your child heal from this situation. And so you can contact a psychology department, social services, the Department of Mental Health in your area, or even your local psychology providers through your health insurance, and they can give you recommendations for a person that specializes in treating children who've experienced childhood sexual abuse. Just so that you're aware, there are evidence-based practices for healing with children regarding sexual abuse, and that's trauma-focused cognitive behavioral therapy. It's considered to be the most effective type of therapy. And so if you were wondering which direction to look at, you could ask if they are specializing in trauma-based CBT. The other thing is, I always like to remind parents that your child, because they are a child, in most cases, they are very resilient. And what you think could destroy your child, will upset their life forever, is not necessarily the case. And so I encourage parents not to project their own feelings about the situation onto their child, because your child will tell you how they're feeling. They're going to show you how they're managing it. And in some ways, people become very insulated. Children become very quiet and not wanting to talk about things. And in other times, they want to talk a lot. So just follow your child's lead. Work with a professional counselor who can give you and train you in the skills to be able to work with and help your child heal from the situation.
We now have a variety of interventions that have a significant threshold of empirical research demonstrating that they actually work with kids who have been victimized, kids from all ethnic backgrounds, kids from all sorts of families, all areas of the country. Kids we see. Probably the most common one we use is trauma-focused cognitive behavioral therapy.
TFCBT is really a very flexible type of treatment that can be adapted to different types of trauma problems, to different types of ethnic groups. You can integrate cultural constructs into it.
Virtually all effective interventions for children exposed to violence involve parents, caregivers, or other folks who are in charge of taking care of this child.